What is up, guys? It's been a while. Back out here on the range today, 100-yard range here at the homestead. We're going to test out my CZ457 and my Ruger 1022, and we're looking at what's the velocity difference. If it's the same ammo, same length barrel, what is the 1022 losing in velocity over the bolt gun because the semi-automatic action has to work? Is there a velocity loss? Is that velocity lost affecting how the bullet reacts downrange? Is the 1022 a 50-yard gun and the CZ is a 100-yard gun because of the velocity difference? We're going to find some of that stuff out today. All right, guys, we're going to start off with the Kid Ruger 1022. Kid barrel, Kid bolt, Kid single stage trigger, KRG stock. We're topped off with a Leupold Mark 4. We're going to be running the CCI Suppressor Ammo. It's 45 grain at 970, and we'll see what we get out of the semi-automatic 1022. .974, 977, 979, 981, and 972. Next, we're going to do the CZ457 Varmint Precision Trainer MTR. This is all factory, has the Yo Dave trigger kit, and it's topped off with a Strike Eagle 5 to 25 by 56. We're going to do same ammo, the suppressed ammo, and we're going to do 5 shots. $10.75. $10.75. $10.39. $10.80. And $10.23. Seems to be a bit of a difference between the two. I think the advantage is going to the bolt gun because it doesn't have to cycle the action. Let's do this again, but we'll throw the suppressor on each one and see if there's a drastic difference between the two. Alright guys, same gun, same ammo. We've got the Q erector on the front for rimfire, and we're going to do 5 shots through the chronograph. See if the suppressor makes any difference. $9.69, $9.53, $9.91, $9.86, and $9.83. Alright guys, CZ back again. Got the Q erector on the front of it, same ammo. We're going to do the same test again. $10.47, $10.21, $10.15, $10.32, and $10.24. Alright guys, I don't know what those averages are. I'll do that in editing and I'll put the numbers right here. Both the CZ suppressed and unsuppressed, the 1022 suppressed and unsuppressed.